I'm gonna head to the mailbox, go get the packages real quick for the video. The mailman said he's gonna be here in just a little bit. What the fuck?
Calvin?
Yeah.
I have your package here.
Oh, sick. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Radium dual catch cans. This is going to be for the application on the FK8 Civic Type R. I have not actually put dual catch cans on before by myself before, but I have installed the aerial separator from the WRX I used to have, so this should be a pretty similar process. And this isn't going to be a full install video either, so if you guys actually want the appropriate directions on how to install the catch cans, I will leave a link to the PDF file on the directions you guys can download below. Okay, I have everything laid out here so far, so we're going to get everything organized and we're going to start the process. I have the homie Santi, he's going to help me out with the install today. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove the engine cover and we'll get started from there. Alright, and with the engine cover removed, it's going to give us access to where we're going to be able to access behind of the valve cover. And so there's going to be a PCV hose right here, and you guys can't really see it that well, but we're going to be removing both of the spring clamps that are holding this on. Yeah, so with the harness being in the way, you're really not going to be able to see where all of the hoses and everything are. So it's just going to be in a really tight space, and we're just going to remove both of the hoses. Okay, that's not going to work. Oh, sweet. Sick. So according to the directions and where we remove the bracket from the firewall, I'm under the impression that the bracket for the catch can is going to go behind the OEM firewall, and that's how we're going to mount it back up. Right, we have one catch can on but not fully installed yet. What's next we're going to do is we're going to put on the AN fittings for both sides, and where we remove the hoses, we are going to connect them back into the catch can itself. So it's like I said earlier, it's actually just going to be a super easy install. It's not going to be nothing too complicated that you aren't going to be able to do with just some simple hand tools. Oh my god, wow, you're so strong, Santi. So what we already went ahead and did is we lubed up the hoses to go into the push bar for the AN fittings. And what I really like about Radium is they actually use the AN fittings, which are really efficient for getting into tight spaces. And it's just a really high quality lock system to be using. Okay, since we have the second part of the catch can assembled, what we're going to do is we're going to get it ready to be bracketed up. This is where it's going to be now mounted to for when we remove these two 19s. Oh, I thought that was going to be way tighter.
Oh, wow. Hey.
So with the way that Radium actually makes this bracket that's going to go onto our old mount, it actually has a little divot here. I don't know if you can see to where it would actually fit perfectly into it. It won't actually interfere with this little crease they have. So it's just going to be able to fit a lot more perfectly with this new mount now. Ooh. Oh. Sick. So with what the directions say, where these two fittings are going to be going, they should be kind of diagonal to each other, but also past to where this new dipstick is going to be as well. We got the crankcase side of the catch cans done. I didn't record too much on video. I actually hurt my fingers really badly.
Finished up.
Alright, but yeah, since I didn't get too much on video, we're actually just going to finish it off here. This isn't going to be too long of like a vlog or anything. I just really wanted to show you guys that I'm getting the new catch cans put on for the Civic. And it's actually going to be the actual first engine mod I'm actually going to be doing besides the SF Sprint filter I put on here. Alright, but I'm going to end things off here. I will see you guys in the next video.
With an open mind, you may discover the key to the peace of mind enjoyed.